Hey guys, happy new year. Welcome to my channel. If you're interested in seeing how I got this cute look using the Juvia's Place eyeshadow palette and blush, please stay tuned. Thanks. Bye. So I got some Juvia's makeup for Christmas. I'm going to start with my Afrique palette with the color Kissy. This is a cute light color. I'm going to put this on my lids as my base. And also use it as my transition color. So I'm just popping this in. I've learned that I should dab it in as opposed to blending it right off the bat. You get more pigment that way. So I'm just dabbing it on top of my crease here. And although it's light, as you can see, it's really pigmented. I love this palette. So now I'm going to go in with the Cameroon. I'm going right above my crease with this color. If y'all are familiar with this palette, you know it's super pigmented and the names of the colors are hard to pronounce. So bear with me as I struggle through pronouncing these colors. So yeah, this is the Cameroon that I am popping right above my crease. Nice. All right, so now I'm going in with the Bin 2 right on my crease. Dabbing that in. Also, I'm not blending yet. What I'm going to do is just pop it in and blend later. I found that it gives me more pigment and it blends better when I do it this way. So I'm learning and I'm trying different things with my makeup. I was so glad to get this for Christmas. You know, y'all know I had those basic colors, so I'm trying to step outside of the box with some more vibrant colors. All right, I'm using my fluffy brush just to blend those 3 colors in that I just applied to my lid. Just making sure that it's nice and blended and no jagged edges. So now I'm going to go in with the Angelique Q. I think that's how to pronounce it. It's a shimmer color. I'm popping that on my lid directly. Making sure I get it on nice and evenly, and also going above my hooded lid because I want it to show even when my eyes are open. That's the struggle of having hooded lids. All right, so now I'm going to go back in with the Cameroon just to blend it all out. Giving me a nice even color. And this palette blends really well. And I must say again, it's very pigmented. I can't wait to experiment with all these different colors. All right, now I'm going to use the Kissy to put on my brow bone. And this is the same color that I used as my base. All right, I'm going to use the same flat brush and use the Coffee. It's a shimmer. It's a lighter shimmer. I'm going to put that right on my bottom lid near my tear duct area and come out just a little bit on my waterline just to give me a pop of shimmer. All right, I'm going to take Bin 2 again and I'm going to smoke out my lid with the Bin 2. And I did apply like a brown liner. I didn't show that on camera, but I did apply that to my waterline. All right, I took this brush just to blend out my brow bone and get my color more evenly spreaded. Okay, now for the blush. I love this blush. Okay, this is the Sahara Blush Volume, Sahara Blush Volume 2 palette. I'm going to start with this pink. It's called B. And it's super pigmented, and I went in heavy-handed with it, and it made me happy. I mean, that pink is so light and carefree and just pretty. It's just super pink. And I don't usually do pinks, but I really like this. And I was kind of concerned that it wasn't going to show up on my skin tone, but it did. Okay, so I'm going to go in with this Sola. I'm going to use this as a highlighter slash blush topper. And look at that. Oh my God. Wow. I love it. I love it. I'm just so surprised. This is my first time using it, so that's why I'm looking like this. So go in on the other side and you immediately see the highlight, and it's not overbearing or it looks natural, like a natural glow. So happy. So I put a little on my Cupid's bow. And that's about it, y'all. I finished the look off with some mascara. And that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Thanks. Bye. See you next time.